Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing this beautiful fresh makeup look for office or college, or even if you are a teenager, you can totally rock this look. These kind of makeup looks are perfect for everyday basis because you don't have a lot of time but still you want to look nice, fresh and presentable. So if you're interested, let's get started with the makeup look. So as usual, I'm going to start off with the skin prep. First I'm going to use the Derma Co Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Face Wash. You guys know how much I love the Derma Co Snail Peptide Hydrating Serum, so I thought of trying the entire range. And this face wash is so hydrating, calming and soothing on the skin. I love the texture and the formulation of this. The overall experience is so nice. It comes with a beautiful gel formulation that deeply cleanses your skin without stripping off the moisture from your skin. It keeps the skin nourished and hydrated, and it's 100% soap free. And by the way, all Derma Co products are fragrance free and dermatologically tested. Now let's move on to the Derma Co Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum, and by the way, this is my third bottle and I am almost over. This is packed with 96% pure snail secretion filtrate with 2% peptide complex and 2% niacinamide. Peptides and niacinamide actively helps with dark spots, pigmentation. It accelerates skin regeneration and boosts collagen. It deeply hydrates the skin, helps reduce pigmentation and dark spots, makes skin supple and healthy. It gives that immense amount of hydration to the skin, improves overall skin health and gives a beautiful glow. Guys, I've recently discovered this snail peptide under eye repair cream and I am obsessed. This contains 96 snail mucin that helps to hydrate, soothe and repair the delicate skin around the eyes, promoting a smoother and more youthful appearance. 1% peptide that helps stimulate collagen production, promotes skin renewal and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2% caffeine reduces blood buildup underneath the eyes and diminishes puffiness and dark circles, leaving the under eye area refreshed and rejuvenated. This entire range is super lightweight, fast absorbing, and look at the glow and how beautiful my skin looks after using it. And one thing I would never ever skip before heading out in the daytime is using a sunscreen. You can use whatever you feel like using, but I like using this one because it's quite lightweight and quick absorbing into the skin. It doesn't leave any white cast and perfect for everyday use. By the way, every time you buy from Derma Co, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have empowered 20,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. These are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Purple, and of course you can use my code on their website for extra 20% off. Now that the skin prep is done, let's move on to the primer. I'm using a pore minimizing smoothing primer because I have oily skin and I have open enlarged pores. I don't really use a lot of foundation or skin tints on everyday basis. I just use a full coverage or medium coverage concealer and hide my dark circles, pigmentation, acne scars, and that's more than enough. If you have oily skin and you do sweat a lot, try to use a transfer proof, smudge proof and long wearing concealer. Blend everything nicely and evenly and then set it with a loose powder. Loose powder works best to set your cream products into place, and this is the loose powder I've been loving lately. It's so affordable but such good quality, definitely a must try. Now use a makeup setting spray to lock your base makeup into place so that it doesn't move or budge or smudge. Now filling in the gaps of my brows and setting them in place so that they stay intact and don't move or budge. I'm using this Milani face palette to add some color back to my face. First I'm gonna use a blush from this palette. I'm gonna use the matte blush. It doesn't look extremely drying on the skin. It looks nice and healthy, but it doesn't look glowy as well. Next, to add some warmth back to my face, I'm gonna use this bronzer on my cheeks. Also, I'm gonna use it as my eyeshadow and slightly contour my nose with it as well. Now to finish off the eye makeup look, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. It's just gonna open up your eyes and your eyes are gonna look nice and pretty. Moving on to the lips, first I'm using a lip liner to line my lips. It's gonna give my lips some definition. And once that is done, I'm going to use a lip tint. Today I'm using a juicy lasting tint from Rom&nd. This combo looks so nice, juicy and cute. I absolutely love it. And yup, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.